on my name, 'cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around, going around, going around every party in LA, 'cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Ooh, and now I'm all up on you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You've been running around, running around, running around, throwing that dirt all on my name, 'cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're right here,
Let me
standing
just
face to face. You already know that you won. Oh, I know that dress is karma, you regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all up on you. What you expect, baby? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Baby, you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing?
Okay, the song is so good. It's perhaps best for the streams. Okay, welcome back everyone. My name is Levi. Welcome to my channel. This is the second video in my channel, and can you guess what is the difference between the previous video and in this video? Yeah, I tried a little bit. In the previous video, I'm just record my video and put into YouTube, but for now I changed the method, and the reason that because I love that. In this second video, I'm still how to set up everything, so my screen and layout basic for now, but don't worry, I'll improve the day by day. And today I want to share the purpose in this series. So I'm starting a journey to learn Next.js and how to apply as the architect into the Next.js project. What is the FSD? You can the FSD stands for features like design. The architect, I believe that is very important skill tool for the building clean, scalable, and maintainable applications. And why I have the idea that I will explain it in later. And now continue to introduce in this story. So in this stream, I will introduce the story. It's learn what we will learn together, and slowly building everything is step by step. Thank you again. Thank you again for joining. Let's start in this learning journey together. Okay. So move on to the orientation. Who is this series for? Before we start, I want to say who is this series is made for. My main audience is students of fresh graduates who want to learn Next.js and understand how to apply FSD design in real projects. Next.js may be new for some you, but I believe FSD will become a trending and maybe even a standard in front-end side, front-end architecture. From and that's why I thought that, because from what I have seen, many fresh developers usually start in with maintenance existing system when they join company, because as you know, we they usually has no experience before and usually has a time to adapt with the new environment in the company. So in that time, they usually join the project and usually responsibility for maintain the existing system. But you know, uh, the best method to adapt in the new environment is use like is maintains the existing system, a viable system, and understand the code base, workflow, and team project. But when they join the real project, he say that wow, the project is very big and the code very long. Yes, so big, long, and large. Very very hard to understand, and he will. I think don't. I don't know how to start, and this is very complex. Complex. So in this video, I want to share my journey, my ideas as the architect will very adapt for you all. And I also a beginner as Next.js and FSD design, FSD, so I hope you can learn with me. If you see anything in unclear and if it is met the mistakes, or if you have suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment under in each video. So your feedback really help me to improve. By the way, I want to mention something very important. For this series, I are using the English right now. My English is still quick, but and sometimes I will make the mistakes. But I hope you can still understand what I mean, and I try to talk louder and smaller. I doing this because I want to improve English skills and creating the content is a great way to practice. So thank you your participation, and I really appreciate everyone who is learning and grow together with me. Um, let a little bit introduce the Apache design and Next.js. In this series, we will divide to two parts. The first, we need to learn Apache design first, Apache architect first, because if you need to understand that and apply it into Next.js. And in this stream, I'm just test video and test quality and still for the setup. So maybe it's good for me. It's good for you all. Okay, move on to the average style. That means FSD 3D architect like features like design. That means you can, yeah, you can see the content that the architectural methodology for scaffolding front-end applications. Simple, but it's very it has the rule and convention in organize the code. The main purpose is make the project more understandable and stable when face of even changing business requirement. And you 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 can refer that you can apply SD architect into the any any project, any team side, because if very clearly and dig in it in a foreign side, and you are building application of libraries. Yeah. And the second, I want to improve introduce like Next.js. Next.js framework is built from React.js, and it's very helpful because you it's very good for SEO. You know SEO, SEO. Yeah, Next.js is React framework building for full stack web application, and you React components to build the interface, and Next.js addition more feature and optimize that. And why I choose the Next.js? Because when I'm in this attention daily dev, I found the new feature in Next.js 16. He released a new Next.js 16. Next.js really just released a new feature in next, but yeah, next release, right? Let me check. Let me just moderation. No. Next.js release new feature. Let's jump. Oh, I forgot, but I remember that I read the Next.js 16. Sorry, new feature. Yeah, that means command cage command is very useful for application if you want to optimize performance. And in the first video, I'm just do that, just introduce myself, introduce the way to learn SSD and Next.js, and just notice for you. And I'm still the set up the stream. Maybe stream schedule is stream once a week, but in the lesson I will try to prepare something, and the knowledge is very quality impossible. Don't worry, I'm just a news in Next.js and MSD, because main major I'm building backend and AI engineering, so I want to research again the online side and some stuff like readers you convert some stuff in the front side. Yeah, thank you. Let me get. Oh, sorry, so good. That is up. Alright, everyone. That is the end of the today videos. thank you. If you enjoy this content and found it helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to so you want to missing the next lesson in this series. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Have a great day. Also, in the next video, we will deep into the evidence decipher. Yeah, bye bye, goodbye.